Alright, this is cabin tour for deck 12, room 570, so 12570 on Anthem of the Seas. Let's see who's inside.
Oh, hello. Welcome to my home. Come on in.
Alright, so as you can see, we have a spacious balcony. As you can see, it's a gorgeous room here. You have the king bed put together. As you can see on the right hand side, right when you come on in, there's a giant closet space with 2 levels for racks for hanging clothes and plenty of hangers as well. You can see laundry bag in there as well in case you want to do laundry while on the ship. Thank you, Jordan. To the right is the bathroom. As you can see here, the bathroom is quite spacious and very modern. You can see here on the right hand side the shower, completely glass encased here all the way around. None of those pesky shower curtains here on Anthem of the Seas. You do have hair and body wash 2-in-1, as well as multiple shelves here for putting any extra soap or shampoo or anything, conditioners, whatever you like to shower with. Down low there's a handle as well as another little hook at the bottom. You can see it is one that you can take off and spray as you like. The other part here, you can see there's 2 hangers in there. So if you want to hang something to dry like swim trunks or a swimsuit, bathing suit, you can do that outside or inside, as there's another pair of hooks on the outside. You have the toilet. Of course, never flush anything besides toilet paper down the toilet, otherwise we might have a problem. For shelving up here, you have the 2 glasses that come with your stateroom. You have 3 shelves, all very spacious shelves. And at the top here, you can see for shavers only, different volts for those cords. Beautiful lighting and fixtures here in the bathroom. As you can see on top, the light. You do have 2 towels right there, larger towels, as well as 2 more smaller hand towels towards the bottom here. You also have that trash can for anything that you can't flush, but you need to dispose of here. It looks like a little towel for the floor for when you shower. You can see there's the toilet paper, and there's another little bucket there, as well as if you need to clean yourself, there is a little cleaning tool there. The sink is very modern, sleek, very cool. I'm really impressed with the modern look and sleek feel of this place. Hey.
Something that I would like to just point out is I think that this cabin actually has more storage than any other cabin I've been on, and I've been on a lot of cruises. So I know we already showed you the main closet here, but there are these big oh, those are not drawers, up above the bed here.
Yes, up above the bed there are spacious storage spaces. You know, we brought our coats because that is for the Anthem of the Seas out of New Jersey, so it's cold. I can see us putting some winter coats or large things, even suitcases could honestly go up there once they're empty.
Yeah, but then on the other side here you have another obviously hanging rack with multiple shelves, and then this side does have drawers.
You can see down here
large drawers.
2 very large drawers. Yes, I'm loving the space here. It's so spacious. And I think what I love about this too, the safe is enclosed. I always hate it when the safe's out. It just doesn't look very appealing. This is all within inside the closet area.
And then of course you have little tables here with additional small storage spaces next to the bed.
So small storage spaces down by the bed. Put any of your water bottles or whatever you need. You also have the Royal Caribbean phone. Light fixtures are very nice as well. You can see you also have a light switch on the right hand side or when laying down on the left hand side, right next to Jordan's welcome drink for getting on board.
There's more storage over here. You've got obviously this is a refrigerator.
Mini fridge.
It's a mini fridge with a lock on it too, so if you want to keep your beverages safe. Additional drawers. This is what the hairdryer looks like. Looks like actually a pretty nice hairdryer compared to some of the other hairdryers we've seen on other ships.
Yeah.
And
You can see this nice mirror here on the left hand side, vanity mirror, as well as a nice little vanity seat, so that way you can really make sure that you get your makeup done, your hair did, whatever you want to do there. Different outlet options here. 2 right there of the US. It looks like there's a European outlet as well as 2 USB ports, which is great. And 2 of those light switches. More drawers on the right hand side. So the top one's a little less spacious, but the other ones are very deep, and that's great. And before we get over anywhere else, we do have the TV. It's built into the wall here. You can see there's reading material below. Honestly, just beautiful, gorgeous touches. Very sleek design. And the TV does not move. I just tried it.
This couch actually does come out into another bed. So
that's
if
very
we
interesting.
did have another person staying with us, or even another 2 people, they'd be able to use this over here.
Or, you know, if we have just that one time where there's somebody that gets a little too intoxicated and they need a place to rest, they can sit there too.
And like we said, we do have a spacious balcony. So.
Oh, there we go. Learning curve. Once you get it, you get it. This is spacious for
Really
sure.
big balcony.
So as you can see out here, not the best of views at port. We are in New Jersey. You can see the bridge all the way down there. What's wonderful about this spacious balcony is you literally have tons of space. I mean, you can see there's room for 3 chairs out here. We've been on balconies that you only have room for 2 barely. And the nice thing too, you have that extra footstool. So that way you can really come out here, lay down, relax. The backs recline as well out here. You have your side table, have a nice beverage while at sea. Imagine that, all water. So gorgeous view here. You can see the rest of the ship here on the side there as well, and the lifeboats down below. All right. So I believe that's it. Jordan, did we miss anything? Is there anything that we should take note of?
The only other thing is this is a smart cabin. So I don't know.
Oh yeah, there's light up here too.
We talked about how the card works here in the room.
Oh yeah, this is a smart cabin. And what that really just means is that we want to be energy efficient. So that means you do have to have your card in to have the lights on. For example, you take the card out and the lights will shut off after a timer. So it's energy efficient. We love that. We want to be able to save and help the environment as we are cruising and having a great time on board. You can see the thermostat as well. Set at 72 degrees, but 73 inside. So with that, it's been a great cabin tour. I really love this ship. I mean, so far, can't wait. If you want to see more, subscribe to our channel, like the video. We are going to have plenty more about Anthem of the Seas here soon. So with that, thanks for watching.
Bye.
Bye.